A manhunt is on for 4 men who shot and injured 7 persons in Johns Hall, St. James on Saturday. As we hear in this report from Codi-Ann Barrett, the gunmen went on a shooting spree while evading authorities.
The Johns Hall community in Montego Bay, St. James was the scene of a series of shootings by 4 men Sunday afternoon. The first incident happened around 2:40 p.m. The men, armed with high-powered weapons and a handgun, opened fire at a group of men at a car wash in Dam Road Square. 4 men were injured at the location. An off-duty police officer responded but was shot at by gunmen who escaped in a motor vehicle. TVJ News understands, however, that the car in which the gunmen were traveling collided with another motor vehicle, leading to their third shooting. They reportedly opened fire on the occupants of that vehicle, injuring 3 more persons who were rushed to hospital. All the injured persons are in stable condition. However, healthcare workers are under pressure with the recent influx of shooting victims. Western Regional Health Authority's clinical coordinator, Dr. Delroy Frey, says the Cornwall Regional Hospital has had to repurpose areas earmarked for COVID-19 care to house the patients.
Between Saturday and Sunday, we have seen 9 cases of gunshot wound. We had to operate on 2 on Saturday and 4 on Sunday. And let me give you some idea of what this involves. On Sunday, our surgeons started operating at about 3 p.m. and they didn't finish until 4 a.m. this morning.
To look after persons with gunshot wounds, it takes hours and extra blood, which Dr. Frey says could be used for patients who are in dire need.
We would like to see this minimize or eliminate as best as possible so that we can look after genuine people who need our services. And that is what the emphasis is all about. So I would make a strong plea to the public that you are depleting our resources. So I'm asking, that we, do something about that.
Meanwhile, former councillor for the Johns Hall division said he's been trying to reach out to persons believed to be involved in gang-related activities to provide mediation.
We have been trying to find what would be the best solution, but we have not come up with it because these things are among individuals and you are not exposed to these things until when it actually happened. But it speaks to a broader situation. It is the state of affairs in our country where law and order and tribalism and gunmanship and badmanship has become the order of the day.
Investigations into the latest shootings are ongoing. Codi-Ann Barrett, TVJ News.